In this demo, I'm going to be walking through how you can use Validere for the purpose of facilitating your engine testing and making sure that you're capturing the correct information needed for emissions quantification of your engines. So here I'm going to navigate to our workflow categories. And so here in this workflow category section, we can see all of the different programs that we need to ensure that we're collecting the correct information for. So here I have my quad J management. Underneath this quad J management, I have a workflow template, which has been configured to facilitate engine testing. So here is the engine testing template, and this is going to tell me all of the engines that I need to test, and it tells me which engines have been tested and which ones are still in progress. So here I can see that some engines have already been tested and some are in progress. Now navigating to this tasks section, underneath my tasks, I can see all of the open tasks that are assigned to me. So if I filter on just my open tasks, I can see that I have 2 engine tests that I need to complete. So clicking on, as an operator, what this looks like is that they will have a mobile app where they will have this view of all of the tasks that they need to complete, and then the task that they need to complete here is an engine testing task. So clicking on this, you will now have the ability to submit a engine test result by clicking on Add Form Submission, New Submission, and it will now give you the form that you need to fill in with all of the information for a engine test. So you will go through and fill in the information. I will leave some of these optional fields and then blank, and then you can come down here and fill in the rest of the information. And what these emissions rates are used for is for the purpose of quantification. And now I'll be able to click submit, and the task has now been completed. So as I mentioned, this helps our customers be able to track all of the engines and make sure that they are compliant underneath Quad J, and that they're collecting the correct information needed.